Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. This is Serena and I am back with you today for another unboxing and try on session. Today is a box from Natalie Attired. This is a new one to me. I haven't tried their service before, but it's like the others, Stitch Fix or Trunk Club. Similar concept. You pay a styling fee, you fill out your profile online, and they send you a package of clothes to try on from the comfort of your own home. And then you can keep the items you like, send back the items you don't in the prepaid envelope that they include in the package. And if you keep 3 items or more, you get a 20% discount. And if you keep all 5 items that they send, you get a 30% discount. And that's pretty good. And also your styling fee gets credited toward anything you keep, even if it's just 1 item. They waive that styling fee and it just goes toward the price of whatever you choose to keep. So let's get into it and see what they sent today. Oh, first, happy Valentine's week. I don't wear a lot of red, but I do have on my heart sweater today. And I love leopard print, so this is definitely me. So this is my little nod to Valentine's this week. All right, let's see what we've got. Okay, first of all, we have this little knit t-shirt by Cielo. It's very thin, but good for layering. Has a little cap sleeve. Okay, pretty basic. But you know, I don't have a gray t-shirt right now, so I may be keeping this. We'll see how it fits. Next, they have sent me. Okay, this is also by Cielo. This is a size medium. It's just a cardigan. It's a longer cardigan, black. Has some pockets down here on the sides. So we can try that on with the tee. Okay, they've sent me a pair of jeans. Okay, these are by JBD, Just Black Denim. And these look kind of small. They're a size 27. They do stretch, but I don't know. We'll just have to see how these work. I like the hem. They have the little raw hem and a little split detail there at the hem. So that's cute. So we'll give those a try. They also sent a dress. This little black knit dress with birds. Looks maybe like hummingbirds on it. I'm not sure. But there's a lot of nice colors in that. And I don't have a lot of dresses. So if this fits and is cute, might keep it. Because that looks like the kind of dress I like to wear. Knit, simple, easy. This would be good for summer with sandals. So we'll give that a try. And the last thing they sent was this sleeveless, you got it, leopard print blouse. It's black, white, and gray leopard print. This is by Renee C. So this would be good paired with the black cardigan or a jacket. Hope this fits because I really like this. All right, so that's what we've got in our package today. So come back in just a second and we'll start trying on. First look, what do you think? So I've got on the gray tee and the cardigan. And you may notice that I don't have on the jeans. That's because I could not get myself into those size 27 jeans. So I pulled out these white jeans from my own closet because I thought that white would look good with this. And it's a warm spring-like day here in North Alabama. So I'm thinking about spring, even though we're supposed to get some really cold weather this weekend. So yeah, here you go. Just a nice, soft knit tee. I put on this long necklace. This is from White House Black Market. Here's the cardigan. And I just put on some booties with it. This is definitely the kind of outfit that I would wear for work. I really like the way the cardigan lays. It doesn't have like a big collar or anything on it. It just lays very smooth and flat and doesn't have a lot of extra fluff or fabric to it. And I could see myself wearing this several seasons out of the year. So this could be a keeper. Let me know what you think. All right, on to look number 2. Okay, look number 2. Here's the blouse, sleeveless leopard print. I think it fits really nice. Love the fabric, love the print. Size is just right, or the length is just right for me. Looks great with the white jeans. You could dress this up with some black dress pants and a blazer, or white dress pants and a blazer. Be really nice for any kind of meeting or when you needed to look more pulled together, or for work, or those Zoom calls. I'm gonna slip on the sweater with it, show you what that looks like. Sweater looks really nice. And I've got just a little front tuck going on there. You could tuck it in all the way if you prefer. So there's the look with the sweater. I think that's just a really nice looking, clean, crisp outfit. Let me know what you guys think. I'm really liking it. And for something a little more casual, I thought, what would it look like if you threw on a jean jacket with it? So I grabbed my little Old Navy jean jacket. What do you think about that? Pretty cute too, huh? Yeah, I figured I would like this blouse just based on the pattern, because it's definitely one of my favorites. And I love white jeans in the spring and summer. And I'm wearing them more now in the winter too. So this is definitely a great looking outfit for spring, summer. And you could wear it without the jacket. When it's 90 degrees and 70% humidity here in the summertime, jackets are just not feasible unless you're inside with the AC, and then you need one. All right, so we will move on to look number 3. And here is look number 3, the dress. So it's just a little knit jersey material dress. Black with the little birds on it. It has a little seam across here. You may not be able to see that, but it's got the seam, and then the skirt is more of a little A-line or flounce skirt, which is cute. It's got the ballet style neck and elbow length sleeves. I put it on with the booties. Please excuse my lack of tan. It's February after all. But I could see this being really cute in the summertime with some sandals, little flat sandals. And let's see how it looks with a jacket. This would be a really cute spring look. Throw on the jacket with it and some sandals. Or even now with some tights or leggings underneath and boots or booties. So you can wear this dress now and later. And that's what I like. I like year-round clothing, because that's what I wear most of. Very rarely do I wear thick sweaters here in the wintertime, only when it's really, really cold. And we don't have that many super cold days here in North Alabama. So here's this look. Let's see what it looks like with that black cardigan. This may look cute, it may not. Okay. So there we go, that's another look. Definitely think this would be cute with tights and booties. More for now. This would be a now way to wear this dress. But the dress is very comfortable. It's stretchy. It's kind of thin. Nothing restrictive or constrictive about it. Just really comfy, cute pattern. But you guys let me know what you think about this and all of the outfits. Let me know in the comment section below. I have a day or two before I have to check out and return what I'm not going to keep from this box. So let me know what you guys think and how things look. All right, I'll be back in just a minute and we'll go over pricing and what I think I'm going to keep and return. Okay, welcome back. Let's go over everything from this package that I tried on, and I'll go over prices with you and see, now that I see the prices, what I feel like I'm going to keep or send back. Okay, the Cielo cardigan, the little simple black cardigan, that's $39, which is not bad. That's not a bad price for a cardigan. And if I keep 3 items, then I get a 20% discount. Plus, I get a credit for my styling fee. Okay, next, the ballet dress. This is more expensive than I was expecting. This is $109 before the discount. And the brand is Salaam. I've never heard of them. But anyway, it's a cute dress, but I mean, given the way it feels and just what it is, I think $109 is a lot for it. Of course, that's before discount, so with my discount, it would be 80 something. And that's still a lot for this dress, for just a basic little knit dress. So I don't know about that. The gray round neck top is $28. Of course, if I get 3 items, I get 20% off that. So that wouldn't be too bad. That'll end up being around just a little over $20 if I keep that. The animal print top, which you know I love because I love my animal print. And it fit really nicely and looked sharp in those outfits, I thought. This is $46. And so 20% off of that, this would be about $36, $37. And that's not bad, I don't think, for a blouse. And then the jeans, which I'm not getting because I can't fit into them, they're $79. So that's a mid-priced denim, that brand, the Just Black denim, that's not a premium. It's just a medium-priced denim brand, but I'm going to pass on those. They're really similar to a pair of jeans I already have, so I'm going to pass on those this time. So what I'm thinking about doing is keeping the cardigan and the 2 tops, the plain gray and the animal print. That's 3, that'll get my discount, so that probably won't be too bad if I keep those 3. But you let me know in the comments what you think. And if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and think about subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate it. If you like all things unboxing and try-ons and shopping hauls, subscribe and you won't miss out on any of my videos. So thank you for joining me today, and I hope you have fun and have a stylish day. Bye.